Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. So as I promised you all, this one is the Manesar vlog. This is the continuation of the last Erosity vlog we have checked out and we are heading towards Manesar. So we reached our destination within an hour. So yes, this is the resort we'll be staying for 2 days and the name is Downtown Aravali Hill. It's a 3-star resort. Let me give you guys a complete tour of the resort and it's really pretty and full of greenery. It's a small resort but yes, it was very cool for a staycation. This is the small reception area with a small aquarium you can see. Then let me show you guys, this also has some small conference halls and event halls. So we are heading towards our room and I'll be giving you guys a short tour of what all there was between our room and the reception area. So firstly there was an indoor play area with a pool table, a table tennis and a carom. Also you can see there's a swimming pool but it was unfortunately closed at that time because some construction was going on there. So there's some seating area besides the pool. There was a DJ area as well ahead. Then this is the basketball area and in front of it there's a kids room for small children. And then comes the lobby of our rooms and I'll be giving you guys a room tour as well. I love the rooms. So you can see the wooden interior of the room is so really pretty. There were 2 mirrors and the 2 rooms of our parents and ours, they were interconnected with a small door. So this was a good thing. Plus there was an outside seating area with a fireplace. This one was very good for night. You can see there's some fireplace thing and 4 chairs were there. So yes, we did sit there at night. So after getting freshened up, we went to see the other places of the resort. So this one is the dining area. Then this is a stage kind of a thing for obviously wedding functions. Then there was a lawn behind this. This was connected to this green lane and you can see this is so pretty and insta worthy. And this is the lawn with a badminton court and a cricket court plus a football court. So this one was very good and the next morning we went there but I could not record. This is the only thing I recorded while playing. My mom and dad were playing table tennis. This one was also recorded in parts because they were not actually playing well. So we went for our lunch at the downtown restaurant and we had an amazing time there. The cafe was very pretty. It was lightened up and you can see how pretty the cafe is. This was the bar area and the other side we had a table. So this is where we were sitting and we ordered some Chinese food and we had a great lunch there. The food was very tasty, I must say. So yes, that was a very good time out there. After our lunch we headed back to the rooms. We got ready for the evening. We went on a small walk around the resort and we found this cute little dog and we fed her. She was really hungry. So yes, this was one of the good moments we had there. And we ate at a dhaba and we came back at the resort. And at night the resort looked really pretty, better than at the daytime. And this one was just a random video and I don't know why I'm putting this, but okay, I was looking good. And yes, this is how it was looking at night. You can see how pretty the lighting is. Everything is very pretty about this resort at night. And this was all about it. So the next day we just rested. We went to play badminton. That is it. And also at night time it was really very cold, so I wore my brother's sweatshirt, and this is the picture of the fireplace. So we had our dinner and we had a really amazing time there. The staycation was very good. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.